Hello world and welcome to one of Apps or West Learning. In this series, I'll be showing you how to create a business email straight from your cPanel. Sometimes the cPanel could be confusing, but like I like doing things, I like sharing people the easier way to do things, especially for learners. So if you look at your right hand corner of your cPanel, you see the statistics, you see details and statistics of your cPanels, activities on your cPanel. You see this usage, bandwidth, add-on domain, third domain. You can see in details all the summaries. So click on email account here. It's an easier way and it's not confusing. It's straight way. Click on create an email account. By default, you always see your domain that is associated with your cPanel. Click on the drop down menu icon. You'll see all your domain and subdomain. Now, listen, please. I have people asking me how do they create for a business email for a add-on domain, a normal domain as an add-on domain, or a subdomain. It's all the same process. As you can see here, you can see a list of my add-on domain and my subdomain. Okay, let's create for a subdomain so that I can show you it's easier because that seems to be a little hard. It's a little imagination. So I click on buy.appsorweb.com and you see this the domain changes set up to buy.appsorweb.com. So go down, username, put a username. You could put maybe your name, Kevin, at by whatever or at your domain or subdomain. But let's say we do support. I hope I don't have it support um, email already associated with this the subdomain name. Put your put your password here. Create a password or, or get a password here. The reason you need a password is so that you will be having pop-ups on your device asking you to put your password. So you put your password, you save or you memorize the password. When you are installing the uh, business name configuration on your device, your laptop, your MacBook, your Windows, your Linux, make sure you put this password and you're going to do it once and for all. Make sure you put this password and you're going to do it once and for all. And I'll show you the beauty. It's to show that it's even verified. Okay, let's click on quit. Hoping I don't have support. Okay, I don't have support. As you can see, I have created support at buy.appsorweb.com. Okay, now this is part one. Part two, let me show you how to configure your business email after creating one. How to link it or configure it to your laptop, your Mac, your Linux your system, your desktop. So let's look at the second. That should be on my second page. Okay. Support at buy.appsorweb.com. You click on connect to device. And when you click on connect to device, don't use IMAP. IMAP by protocol is not secured compared to IMAP over SSL slash TLS. This is more and most secured. So click on that. Click on proceed. To download the email configuration. When it's done downloading, click on let's assume you're all on Mac, but if you're not on Mac, there's not much difference. Especially in the part one, in creating it the same no matter the device. Part two, um, adding it to your device is different from MacBook uh, and Windows. So click on Show and find that you see my confirmation of all the other business emails and emails. So click on it. Are you sure you want to install support at buy.appsandweb.com? Yes. Click on continue. Now the password you use, let's see here, input it here. Click on install, and that will be all. And then as it's installing, when you're done, um, as you can see, it's verified. Support at buy.appsandweb.com. It's even verified. That's the beauty when you now put the password. And you won't be having those annoying pop-ups on your email asking you for password every now and then. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and then keep in touch as we'll be having more learning series to share for free with everyone. Hoping you learned a thing or two. Thanks so much for watching and have a lovely day. See you in the next lesson.